This is stacking in quadruped. Anytime we're stacking, we want to think first about ground contacts. For the hand contacts, I want to make sure I can feel my pisiform at the bottom of my wrist and flatten the whole hand. You might need to adjust your hand position based on how that feels. If you're too close and you're too narrow, number one, you're probably not going to be able to feel your hand contacts. And number two, you're probably not going to be able to find that unshrugged and slightly reached shoulder position, because the closer your hands come together, the more you're challenging that range of motion. And so you may need to be a little bit wider. So if I go a little bit wider than my trunk, so maybe shoulder width apart here, I can find my hand contacts and I can flatten my hands. I want to have soft elbows, but I don't want to be too bent. I want to be pretty much straight through, just like this. And I want to have an unshrugged position with my knees just underneath my hips. And then from here, I'm going to think about getting long. I'm going to get long in my spine. So from my tailbone all the way to my head, I'm going to try to get as long and as tall as possible. And I'm also going to think about reaching through the floor with my hands and my knees. So my ground contacts reach through the floor, and watch what happens with my body when I do that. Inhale through my nose, long, slow exhale, get long and reach. I didn't tuck my pelvis by squeezing my glutes, but I got long, and I used my hamstrings and I used my deep abs to find that stacked position. And this is a great way to set up for a push-up or any other pillar position. I highly recommend starting here when you're about to do push-ups, finding those deep abs, and then straightening your legs, keeping your knees soft. If you lock your legs, you're more likely to arch your back. The same thing goes for setting up in quadruped. We want to make sure that we're not arching our back. We want to reach through. We don't want to tuck. We don't want to overly arch. Getting length and getting that long exhale will help you. Now, I mentioned trying to avoid taking up too much range of motion to a point where then you can't get into position, right? So if your knees being together means that your back is arched, whether you're trying to not arch it or not, or your shoulder blades are shrugged, whether you're trying to unshrug them or not, here's where you would go to a lower position. It's a lot easier to master, gives you a little bit more ground contacts, and it helps you find a little bit more length in your shoulders and your hips in a position of a little bit more external rotation. So if we go to elbows and knees in this position, you can do this a variety of ways. You can start close together like this. If it's still really hard to unshrug your shoulders, you may need to go a little bit wider and then play around with this width. When you're going elbows and hands, you want to make sure your pisiform is heavy, your whole hand is heavy, and you're looking for that inner elbow. And then your goal is to find the inside of your knees and then play around with the distance here. We want the elbows to be slightly in front of the shoulders and the knees to be slightly behind the hips so we can challenge the abs, but not so much that you can't stack and you're sagging like this. We want to find that comfortable middle ground so that we can find that long reach position, just like this. Long, slow exhale. And then you're reaching and squeezing. That's a great introductory position for planks, for push-ups, for a lot of things like that, to really get that deep core engaged and find that stack. That's going to give you better shoulder and hip mobility so that when you're doing other things in that position, like crawling or doing those plank push-ups, those more challenging core exercises, that you're actually using everything in a really integrated and balanced way so that you can get stronger in those ground positions, and then everything else you do in the gym will see tons of benefits. So that's how quadruped and grounded stacking is done. Very nice. I like.